Okay, so if you're looking to get an A on this project, the following things should be completed. So I've gotten Andre here to actually share his file with me. He has all his pictures and titles and even descriptions, which is a little above and beyond what you need to do, but he's shooting for that A. So his Google Slides are ready. So now he's got to do some finishing touches in PowerPoint. So from the Google Slides, you'll go to File, then Download, then Microsoft PowerPoint, so that you can actually go to your PowerPoint on your computer. And so I'm going to open PowerPoint. It should be in my download section, I believe. Okay, so there's Andre's right there in my downloads folder, so I'm going to open that up, close that, enable editing so that you can, I don't know, edit some stuff. So now that we have it in PowerPoint, here are the things that you should do in order to get a really good grade. So first, all these pictures, we could do something with them. One easy thing to do is to go and give it a frame that's more than just a regular picture. So like we can give it a frame, we can orientate them a little different way if we want to. So yeah, you can mess around with frames, you could do some picture borders, picture effects, that sort of thing. So that's one way of kind of making this more interesting. Also, since we're making this into a movie slideshow, we want to have some movement, not just still pictures. So what we'll do is we'll go to animations, and at the very least we should have what they call an entrance animation. So I like to click over here with more entrance effects, and you'll see every entrance effect that's possible. And so it could be as simple as just having the picture float up like that. Okay, so I've done that with that picture. Then you're just going to keep going to each one, and again I'll click on the picture, go to format here, I'll pick like a frame that I like. That's kind of cool. Actually, I'm going to keep that. I like those circle ones. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to go back to animation again. I'm going to go to my entrance effects, and then I'll pick another one, like let's say maybe boomerang on this one. So that's kind of cool. So you're going to keep doing that, and then you're going to need music. So you'll do that on your very first slide. So I didn't download anything yet, but I'll just do that real quick. I'm going to go to Purple Planet and pick myself a piece of music. Let's see, inspirational. I like inspirational stuff. I'm just going to pick maybe one of the first ones I see if I like it. Cool, I like it. Okay, so I'm going to download it. It's called Hard Fought Victory, so that's cool. Download MP3 track. Alright, going back to my PowerPoint slide. And I'm going to insert audio from my PC. Should be in my downloads. Purple Planet music. Yep, inspirational. Cool. Gonna insert that in there. Okay, get that out of the way. Right here you'll have a menu, and if you don't get the menu, you can click on the speaker and see the menu. So playback, we're gonna hide it during the show. We're going to automatically play this, and we're gonna play it across all slides. Okay, so now we have music. We've done everything to our pictures. We've got animations. Something extra you could do is actually transitions, and that is something that happens between slides. So if I want something to happen between slides, say 2 and 3, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to do some of these transitions. So from 2 to 3, that'll give it some more movement. So transitions, animations, doing some framing or some other effects to the pictures makes it really cool. Okay, once you're ready with this, one of the final steps is we're going to convert this into a video. Okay, so we export that video, we create the video, and we want to bump this up to maybe 8 or 9 seconds so that we can read everything, and then this is how we create it. So MPEG-4 video. I'm going to put it to the desktop so I can find it easier. Boom. We're going to save that. Right down here, it's going to take a few seconds to save, well, a few minutes to save. So rather than wait for that, I'm just going to show you the last step. So once you get that MP4 file ready to go, you're going to go to your YouTube channel. Okay, and you can get to your YouTube channel by going to your Waffle, going to YouTube, and then it's just a matter of uploading it. So you upload a video. It's not quite ready there, so I'm just going to do this tutorial that's already ready to go. And then it's going to upload. You could do your publish thing, and here's what you turn in there right there. So just right click that, copy link address, and that's what you're going to turn into the assignment. That's it. Alright. I'll see you and your YouTube link in the assignment when it's ready. Thank you very much. Go Knights.